Hi, yeah, really enjoyed the course. Excellent teacher. It's a tough job to sit there for 8 hours staring into a screen. So all credit to you for that. Excellent training. From a personal perspective, I've done quite a lot of technical training. Completed CIS last month, so there was quite a lot of crossover with some of the content. So it was good to see your perspective on things, compare that to how we do things back at the office. It was useful that Kirsty was on the course, so that helps in discussions in the way that we do things, processes and procedures. And probably the best takeaway was the known and unknown pyramid. I think that's quite a good graphical example. We do spend a lot of time down in the 70%, so the higher I can get up the pyramid, the better really. Try and reduce the noise and the amount of alerts of processing, because alert fatigue is something we do have to deal with quite regularly. So we'll be looking at reducing that when we can. So thank you.